We are now sitting at Agadir Dolphin Park, the home of some of the smartest and friendliest animals in the ocean. For parents, this is the perfect moment to grab a coffee by the sea and enjoy it sitting right on the cliffs by the Atlantic Ocean. The fun fact: dolphins are some of the smartest animals on the planet. They can learn tricks, understand signals, and even recognize each other by their own special sounds, like having their own names. And get this, they don't just swim, they can leap high into the air, spin, splash, and even dance on the water. So, let's see the tricks. This is one of the most unforgettable experiences in Agadir for families. If you are visiting Agadir, this is something you simply should not miss.